Okay.
Shit. Alright. Yeah. Oh, shit. Wait, I'm still alive. We're good. We're good. Let's just swing our bodies. Get off this a little bit.
How does that feel, Ryan?
Oh, I am enjoying this. Let's try a little bit of this, though. Alright, so that's one. And that is a mine, I believe.
Oh, yep.
This is gonna be a bitch.
What is up with that mine? I don't like it.
Nope, no, that's cool. I didn't want to go up there anyway. You gonna be a dick? Okay. So, I'm guessing right here is gonna be where I don't do it. Oh.
Oh, hey. Oh.
Fuck you.
How do I play? I get the mouse out of the way.
It's gonna be a spacebar to jump and arrow keys, not WASD.
I'm not even going. Oh, it's up. Oh. Okay, alright, I got
Tab
it.
bar. You don't need to be clicking shit.
Alright.
Z is to eject your character.
I pressed Alt.
Yeah, no,
this is gonna be a problem.
Yeah, tab R.
Tab R. Oh.
R
okay.
for restart.
Okay.
Oh.
Yeah, I thought I had it. That's
95% impossible. Baby throw. No, we're gonna do a little bit of baby throw.
Alright.
I'm hoping this is allowing me to throw babies.
Me too.
So far,
Pretty good.
starting strong.
Okay, well maybe no baby throws because
Well.
we're complete.
Oh, I like these ones.
God, is 3 enough, Ryan?
What?
Oh man, you missed both of them.
I can't even grab the fucking
Oh, 2 with 1.
collateral.
Collateral, yep. Oh, right through him.
I didn't want all those.
There goes your swords. Not gonna hit Santa?
Why? Do you hate Christmas?
Yes. I got it. How do I do it?
Exactly how
There you go,
you
Santa bitch.
fucking hater.
I actually didn't even mean to do that.
Yeah, know what? I don't want to hear it. Santa and me were homegirls. You ain't even getting a single clip, girl. Oh, right in the dome.
Yeah. Oh my god, I can almost reach it. And there go
If I
all
get
of
200
this.
subs, I'll give away an Xbox One.
No, we won't.
I don't know about that, but how do you get all the swords? Oh yeah.
Skill.
Get homeless, Jim. For that,
Okay.
let's just go for the win,
Well, that
or
was
we
kinda
can
close.
kill him.
Yeah!
Fucking me.
Yeah!
All right. You
Aha!
watch hit control.
Oh, that's what it does?
No, just watch. Just hit control.
Woo! Oh!
Just let go
My
of the
son.
child. Oh!
Oh!
His head.
Is that his brain right there?
Yeah.
I just ran over my child's brain.
Good.
And also every part of his body. Every other part.
Look, the
Excuse me,
blood
son.
maximized in this. It's kind of disturbing.
It's okay.
All right.
See? Harder than you think, huh, bitch?
No, I was just
Just in
sucking.
the water.
Yeah, we're good now.
That.
Yeah. I'm gonna jump those ones. I'm using that as a ramp. Let's just get a little bit of momentum here.
Pack some heat.
pack some heat. Pack gun.
Gun.
That's pretty neat. Oh, did you see that? Let me look. Am I doing anything?
No.
Oh.
It's just going back and forth.
Father child? I don't know why I keep...
It's okay. Do the mother with children.
You can do what you want.
Fine.
But as for me,
I'm just saying the kids.
we're gonna
will be
make
like,
the child take all of these arrows
yeah, that's
in
why
the
I
dome.
was saying.
And we're dead.
Woo!
Alright, last try and then I'll give up.
Oh yeah, do that. Like the frontwards manual.
Yeah!
Oh, you went too far. You've gone too far.
Probably try to win one.
Ready for this?
Yep, I'm ready.
This win. This super.
Oh, you lost just...
Okay,
oh
right.
my...
Give me 1 second.
Lamp. Oh my Lanta!
Alright.
I mean, generic
Alright.
brand
Alright,
chips.
my plan wasn't gonna work. Unless I can get more speed. Front manual. Oh, there goes my helmet. Oh.
You got it right here.
Oh. Oh no! Yeah! I'm gonna do that again. Oh.
No, what you gotta do is you gotta use the mine. Or shoot the mine into the corner. Either one. Oh, shit!
Yeah!
Thinking you overshot it. Oh my god, you're still alive?
No, no, no! No, no, no! No, no,
You're good.
no!
Oh! You're gonna have to just... Oh!
Bad timing.
Maybe you shouldn't use Pogo Guy.
No, Pogo Guy is the key. How?
It's funny because you suck. That was a good bounce. Oh! Oh!
Okay, give me one more try, and then you can put.
Uh-oh, Spadoodios. You're gonna have to jump. Yeah. Oh. Alright, what are you thinking? I'm thinking child kid. And dad and child.
Alright.
Oh, we can call him Pablo. 'Cause
Pablo.
that mustache.
Alright.
Oh, look at it. Would you just look at
Alright. Let's do it. Let's do it. There goes your kid.
And my leg. It's okay, you don't need either. But
Yeah,
you do need a
need
body.
that.
But you do need a body.
Oh.
D. Like I said before, first try. See? Told you. I got a poon in me.
Yeah.
No, we're good. Don't even worry about it.
I bet you can.
We just gotta, like,
right on that.
use this arrow.
Oh.
Oh, no, that's okay, though. Child's not
Bye,
needed.
child.
No, we're gonna use our heads.
Oh.
No, we're not. You gotta bunny hop this and time it perfectly. And then we're just gonna, like, oh, would you look at that?
Oh, jeez, that was close.
Sometimes you just gotta look at it.
There you go. Ah.
We're still good. We're making progress here. Just bunny hop it.
Nice,
Come on.
nice.
Pablo.
Oh,
I'm feeling Pablo and Sanchez.
Sanchez?
Yeah.
I don't like that name.
I don't like you.
Alright.
Oh!
Gotta
And
do
one
it.
more.
You got it.
Oh, we got it right here. Alright, right here. Alright, right here. Alright, right here.
God damn it. You're losing progress.
Jesus Christ.
I think it's the bike color. Blue's a bad color.
Does it change?
No.
Oh. God damn it, Sanchez. You're fucking us. Oh. Okay. Take the kid instead. Oh, would you... It's okay, we're good still. Let's just use this to our advantage.
Hop over it.
Just...
Oh.
take a fucking arrow to the dome. Oh, there's a mine there.
Yeah.
There's still a mine there. And we're dead. Whee! Oh, good lord. No, we're using this to our advantage. That was actually part of the plan. The whole. What are your legs doing? It's okay. We fixed them.
They're fixed.
You son of a bitch.
Yep.
Oh, there's spikes there. Who the god?
There's always been spikes there.
You don't know that.
Yeah, I do.
Oh fuck. No, I can imagine it's fairly not easy.
How do I? Ooh.
Watch out. There's a mine there.
Yeah. All right. Let's retry that. Oh yeah. Fuck. Okay. Oh. Nice.
God, you suck it. Oh.
It's raining blood for some reason.
It's a raining
And
blood.
this car seat is really fucking me right now.
Don't you hate that? Or is that just children in general? Oh shit. Oh! Watch out for this giant poon.
No.
That one. Watch out for the poon.
Oh.
Perfect.
Okay. Yeah. Nice. Car seat's out of the way. Okay. Okay.
Let's just get shot in the dome. Pooned.
Oh damn. Okay. Oh. I cannot jump over that mine, dude.
It's because you suck.
Get out of here. Sanchez.
Right in the dome.
Ah. Ooh. Fuck. Okay. No, I can't jump over that shit. How are you doing this? Oh my god. Oh, would you look? Oh. Hey.
And dead. Right here by the poon. Death
The
by
poon
poon.
don't got shit on me.
That's how I want to go.
Oh.
Death by poon.
Okay. Death by poon. Uh-huh. I don't need you.
That bouncy back.
Don't need you, son.
What is he?
I have worse luck not touching the vine.
There we go. Oh, dodging the poon.
Oh, but I didn't quite make the jump. Oh yeah, I got the whole. Oh, he knocked my helmet off, dude. Look at that.
Well, once the dome piece cover's gone, you're just shit out of luck.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Oh. I'd rather not have my son with me on this journey.
What a terrible parent. It's not even his kid.
Oh! He stole it.
Yeah.
From the kid's store.
Susan, I'll watch Jimmy today.
Oh, deflected, bitch. Deflected.
Oh, you just broke the air out of your ass. Dude. That's some
Deflected.
strong muscles.
Shit. Alright.
Dead.
Alright.
Dead.
Alright.
Dead.
Hmm. Yeah, take the sun. Hey. Oh. Alright, I'll crawl. I'll crawl. I can crawl.
Stuck
Okay,
in me.
last try for sure. I'm dead. Okay.
Alright,
Yeah.
well, that has been Happy Wheels.
That has been Happy Wheels.
Unfortunately.
Unfortunately, we can't finish this. I want to
Well,
rate this like 4.
You have to log in.
Yeah, fuck
I
that.
could've
Never
told you
mind.
that.
I'm not gonna do
Anyway,
that.
well,
4
thank you
stars in
guys
my
for
book.
watching. Fuck this.
Yeah, fuck this.